guys, so what's going on? Today is Saturday, and yeah, it's snowed last night, so cleaned up the car a little bit. I'm gonna clean the rest of it when I move it out, but it's not too bad outside. So start this car and move it out. But you guys can see I took most of the snow off, so nothing too crazy. Once I start the car, all the snow will melt off. I never drive this car in this types of conditions. So yeah, guys, sorry, I just seen one of my old friends. So yeah, I never really drive this car, but March Madness is literally like 2 weeks away, and I was thinking about doing like a March Madness like meetup and rollout. I know a lot of subscribers go to it, so if you guys are down for that, just hit my Instagram, my DM. I'll put my Instagram right here, and comment down below if you guys will be interested in that. A lot of people have been interested in it, so I'm deciding if I should do it or I should not do it. If I do it, I might do it like right here by my house, like in Highland Park, because I could just get on a jockey and then just get on a Van Wyck, wherever we gotta go on, and then just go straight from there. I don't know where the address is at, where the location is at this year for March Madness, because they are having it private, I guess they said, because they don't want too many people to know, because last year a lot of people fucked it up for them. So I'm waiting on the email back, and then from there everybody's gonna know where it's at. Well, not everybody, but mostly, but I'm pretty sure, because one person's gonna tell another person. So but yeah, so if you guys are interested in that, I'm totally down for that, to do like a meetup, meet a couple of you guys, and then just roll out. The car is gonna be really, if you guys do see the car's gonna be really like scratched up on the roof, on the sides and stuff like that. And if you guys know, it's because the tent fell on the car in the beginning of winter. So I don't really have enough time to get this car all fixed up and everything, and then it's still winter and it still might snow, so kind of doesn't really make sense. So and my detailer guy, he's really busy because he's been having like a lot of cars and a lot of motorcycles, because the season is starting now for motorcycles and cars. So I'm most likely probably gonna do it like maybe like April, around there, maybe ending of April, when it starts getting warm, because hopefully I should be moving into like an indoor garage and stuff like that. So I don't want to really do all this work and then, you know, the car gets all scratched up and everything again, so I'll be pretty upset. So and it's not really like a crazy big car show. I mean, it's big, but it's not like Honda Day or stuff like that. So I don't really mind the car being scratched up. I know it's gonna be better. I know it's gonna get better and stuff like that, so it don't really bother me. But yeah, so I'm warming up the car right now. I always gotta keep my foot on this gas, because I don't know if it's the IAC that's messed up or what, or because it's cold. But so I'm gonna let this car warm up, and I'll head to my dad's job. Just know that I did this for you guys also, because I know everybody want to see the new wheels. I want to see the new wheels, so you guys better smash that like button, comment down below, share with your friends, do all that, because it is snowing out here. It's snow, salt. Oh, we got to my dad's job. Look at all this freaking salt. Jesus. But working on the car here, and yeah, a lot of you almost guessed the wheels, but let me show you what wheels they are. Couple people guessed FO4, FO5, FO2. These FO3s. These things look amazing. Let me show you guys. But first, I'm gonna grub. These are them right here, guys. Look how beautiful these things are. So it's like a gray with like a polish underneath. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's like gunmetal here. There's like polish, but it's like polish underneath. This thing just looks so good. Maybe I was gonna have to own an opinion, but when you see these things on a car, things are gonna look real good. Alright, so quick update. This machine is like too low. and that doesn't push the tire down enough because look how big these wheels are. So we couldn't do it. My tire was a little bit too tough to try to take off, and that didn't push the tire all the way down. So one of my Adriel's friend, he's gonna hook it up. So he's gonna take off all 4 tires, put them on the new wheels, and balance them for a great price. So I'm gonna go head over to his shop and install everything, do everything over there. And while I was just training, I was just cleaning the inside of these lugs to make them look a little bit better because they had got a little bit rusty. But I'm trying to clean them up as best as I could. Alright, so we just got to the shop. Right here, Primo's. Got the wheels right here. About to go put them on. Right here, they're all dirty from the snow, but right here. About to put the tires on. So the old rim had a little bit of trouble because the lip and the inside of the wheel it's like the stock lip is like that on the inside, and for this wheel was like this much. So you have to push the bead of the tire like more down to be able to like pull off the tire. So, but we got the tire off. Don't mind the dirtiness. That just all that comes off, but some degreaser and a brush. So this is Nexo shopper here. He's hooking it up, putting the tires on right now. So what was the problem with the other wheel, taking it off? Why was it so hard?
The lip on the other rim is not as well, this one is not as wide as the other one. So the other one we had to push the bead further down to like over here, rather than this one we just push it down right here.
Yeah, but basically it was down here, and this one is, this has, well, not supposed to be, but the other one was giving us trouble because it was down there. But my man's got it out and put these new ones on. Yeah, like even with
cut up a rag. You see, like I'll take one of those towels, cut it up, wrap it up.
I mean, even with that, like you didn't even have to clean that. You literally just cleaned it back to like brand new.
Yeah, exactly, man. Because I'm touching it, so you know it's getting dirty, and it's just one of those things out of habit.
No, yeah, of course, yeah.
You know, like I said, you just want the attention, as if you were able to do it yourself, the way you would do it.
Oh, of course, yeah. For every customer. There you go, guys. Look at them right there on the wheel with the tire on. This thing looks so good, guys. Look how good that looks. Oof.
The only thing that scares me sometimes about stuff like that is that when you're trying so hard, sometimes you could give a tire a bubble.
Oh, okay, I get what you're
putting the pry tool so hard.
The other rim is like here, and the rim is like all the way down there. I feel like there's nothing more satisfying than hearing that pop, pop.
Yeah, you gotta see how people react sometimes when they're not expecting.
They think
they'll see it coming and they go, oh, it's like this.
Then they hear like, did my tire blow up?
I like messing with some people sometimes. Or stepping on the bead sealer pedal.
Yeah.
That shit's hilarious. Kanye.
Look at that right there. That shit is sexy. Dude, that's a beauty right there.
Thank you, bro.
Oh man, and how you know where to put it at? And you just put it like right in the middle of the wheel?
Well, the machine over here has a marker.
Oh, so it's showing you right there.
It has a marker right here.
Oh, okay. I always wonder, like, you just put it and then you just...
Some of the newer machines, they got the laser that point directly at it.
This one right here. Alright guys, so the tires are all done. We get some business cards from him. You guys can check them out.
my personal
here?
record. That's the shop card.
The shop is located right here. You guys can see. He does great deals on like Toyo tires, anything like that. If you come in with like a brand new rim, you need like a set of Toyo tires, he'll hook it up with like a super. I'll let him explain it right now.
Pretty much we focus on used tires. Definitely could always order new tires, whatever, fitting any budget. Most general tire shop services, mount, balance, rotations, flat fixing, wheel refinishing. Like if you need the back side of the rim fixed only, you don't want to.
Actually, my dad's coming too to get his wheel finished from him.
If you don't want to refinish the whole rim, you don't want to get the back side because the back side bent or cracked. We do that also. Wheel replacements and pretty much any help you need with a car. If you don't know where to go, we could recommend you someone.
And he gets good deals on what you said, Toyo tires, right?
Toyo.
On Toyo tires. So come check him out. You got like all these tires right here. So whatever you need, my man will take care of you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All right, guys. So you guys ready? Put the wheels on. I'm gonna take the car out so you guys can see it. But for right now, I'm gonna show you guys inside. Oh my God. Look how good this thing looks. Oh, look how good this thing looks. Look how aggressive this car looks now. I'm just loving it. I'm so loving it right now. Look at this. Goes so good with the car. But these are 25 offset, and my old wheels are 20 offset. So I'm gonna buy 4 or 5 mil spacers, put them on so it can stick out a little bit more. And they could give it the poke that I had before, because I don't really like. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I guys can see it's kind of like inside. I don't really like the wheel being inside. I like the aggressive like stance, so it could poke out a little bit more, how my old wheels did, and give it that like real tough look. So, but look how good this thing looks. So happy how these wheels came out. These things just, oh my God. So yeah, once I get these 5 mil spacers all around, it'll look way more better. I know it looks good now. To a lot of you guys will leave it like this, but I need those 5 mil spacers all around so it can give it that little bit of poke like I had before. Not poke like a fucking rollerblade. You guys seen how my fitment was before. I like a tight fitment. So I'm gonna order the spacers today. They're like 10 bucks on eBay. So I'm just gonna order that. I was actually gonna clean the car because it has a lot of salt on it, but I'm not even gonna do that because it doesn't make any sense. I'm still gonna drive home, still gonna get salt on it. But shout out to my dude Nexo for hooking it up super big time with mounting these tires and everything on. So go check him out. I have his business card here. The shop right here, go check him out. Tell him Steven sent you. He has good deals on literally all tires. Anything you need, he'll get it done. So shout out to him, and shout out to my boy Adriel for looking out and hooking me up with him. So yeah, guys, this is how she looks. Like, look at this. Like, look at the wheels. It goes perfect with the Carro interior. Like, the gray just goes so perfect with the car. Like, look how perfect that goes. Gray with the purple looks good now. Now the car doesn't look like super dark, and now it gives it like that good contrast to it. Dude, I'm so in love right now. Oh my God. Only thing I gotta do is just clean up the tires because they're dirty, but I have some spray for that, clean it all up, and I'll be good to go. I'm so in love with this new setup. This car looks so good. I'm so ready for the first car show, even though my car's gonna be all scratched up, but I'm choosing to leave it at this so the winter could like officially leave, so the cold could just like officially leave. It could be no more snowing and stuff like that, so I can have it get done once and then that's about it, because I don't want to do this more than once again, because you can't keep cutting and polishing a car because you're gonna just eat away all the clear, and then it's not gonna be good for your car, because it's gonna have no type of clear, no protection or anything at all. So yeah, the more you know.
Bro, how I been over your hoes like a bottom. I'm the king good and she give me the crown now. Diamond rings and they hitting like bling blow. Got you looking for your bitch like Junetime.
What is up, guys? So just got back to the house. I just wanted to close out the video. My hair's looking crazy again, but I don't give a fuck because I'm going to sleep. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to close out the video. Thank you guys all for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like the wheels. I know people are gonna be like, oh my god, you saved all this time, you didn't want to show the wheels for some rep wheels. I personally don't care. I've told you guys before, I will never buy real wheels. Yes, it's like a, I guess like a hype beast kind of thing. I know they're like forged wheels or something like that, but I'm not spending over $1,000 for some wheels that I know I'm gonna like probably mess up, crash, do something to them. So that is not me. People do that. People can have real wheels. Most of the people that have real wheels, like a lot of people have the same exact wheels, so it doesn't really make sense. So it's not that I can't afford them, because I clearly can afford them, but just wanted something different, and I like these wheels. They were pretty, they weren't that expensive or anything. Yeah, I mean, I just went with what I like, and I don't really care what anybody thinks because it's my car. I know they look good. And there's not wheels that you really see. Like, I haven't seen anybody else with those wheels. If you're gonna leave a comment down below about the wheels are not real, who cares? Like, it's not gonna affect me. Anyways, so thank you to everybody that's been patiently waiting. Shout out to Nexo for hooking it up with the tires and the mounting and everything. Go check it out. Go check out his shop. He has really good deals on used tires, new tires, whatever you need, we will repair. Anything. So if you're in an area close by, go check my dude out because he literally gave me an amazing deal, hooked me up and everything. So go check him out. And yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. And until next time, guys, peace. Oh wait, build to enjoy. Peace.
Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.